Do we have any questions for our panelists? Yes, ma'am, from Soundcheck Manila. Hello po.
Na lang po. Hi, congrats in advance. Hello, Ed. Hi. So, my question would be, anyone can answer. I'm so curious by your lineup, but I must say, you guys really have a pulse on who is hot because like Earl Agustin Angel, so it just won last night, so Wish Award. So, you guys really have a pulse on who is really hot now or soon to be hotter. But then, did you really think of having a diverse type of artist? Because you also have a P-pop, then you have a rock. So, did you guys have that in mind when thinking of your lineup? Thank you.
Hello. Yeah, definitely po. When we come up with the lineup, we definitely consider kung sino ba yung mga trends niya. So that is one thing. At the same time po talaga, we're trying to aim for all of the generations. Not only the Gen Zs, the millennials. Kumbaga lahat talaga ini-aim natin na mag-enjoy sila dito sa event natin. So, yeah, considering yung mga sina Earl Agustin, and so they are definitely one of the choices that we had when we came with this set of artists for the Hiraya Music Fest.
Thank you so much, Marvin. Ma'am, thank you so much po. From Soundcheck Manila, maraming salamat. Alright, yes po. From Billboard PH.
Hi, good afternoon. Stephanie, to the organizer, what was the main idea behind creating the Hiraya Night Sky Festival? At what point did you decide that Hiraya should be a multi-experience event, not just a music festival? Thank you.
And that's a great question po. So, actually, before having Hiraya, we've been with different events, with different music festivals. So, we came up since we are originally yung organizer of the Hot Air Balloons. So, our team created this type of event na why not, instead of we providing the balloons, the hot air balloons, why not do it on our own? So at the same time, since we have a lot of friends in the in this field or industry, like for example the drifters, the paramotors. So I think that's the difference with Hiraya Music Festival with the other music festivals. So it's not only a showcase of Filipino talents na for music. It's a showcase of Filipino talents on a different fields and in a different scale. So at the same time, gusto nating ipakilala lalo na Pampanga is really the center of the hot air balloon. At the same time, center of other skilled artists like the drifters, the paramotors, and different artists. So yun po.
There you go. Thank you so much po. Again, Billboard PH, maraming salamat, Sir Marvin. Thank you. Riders PH. We have a question from Riders PH. Sorry.
Thank you. Paano niyo ginawa? Kasi Pampanga, no? But I'm sure gusto niyo din makakuha ng manonood from Maynila. Meron ba kayong ka-tie up na transport or accommodations? Kasi especially 2 days to.
For that one po, wala kaming katayap na transport. But looking at the demographics of what happening with the social media, may mga may mga transportation group na sila na mismo yung nagko-contact, sila na mismo yung nagvo-volunteer na, hey, available kami dito, available kami na you can reach us through this contact, and then yung back and forth, kaya point to point, may mga ganun po tayo mga transportation groups.
Tapos Russell, napansin ko na super affordable yung ticket. Talagang sinadya yung gano'n, ano?
Yes, no, dahil parang yung nag-music festival ngayon, so hindi tayo sumasabay sa mga yung pricing nila. So, ang tinatarget kasi din natin dito yung mga agency na gustong mag-enjoy, pero hindi sila enough yung kanilang budget. So, yung tickets namin, talagang pinantay namin sa nila para mabot nila yung pangarap nila dito sa Hiraya.
My last question to the Season Sisters, ano? how is it na magpa-participate kayo sa is this your first time participating sa music festival?
So good afternoon po. Once again, I'm Karen Season and isa po ako sa mga drifters na magpe-perform on Hiraya. So to answer your question po, actually this is not our first time po. So we've been around, we've been to La Union, Batangas. So whenever they have their festivities po, so we're getting invited and it has become a highlight po talaga sa mga nagiging event nila. And we're very happy na at the very heart of Pampanga kami ay magpe-perform. Ayun, to share our skills and talent with everyone. So ayan, excited kami and I'm gonna be with my sister and si Dr. Jeff. We have
Both days yun, ano? One and
yes, day 1 and day 2 po. So we'll be running from morning till 11 a.m. to 5 or 5 p.m.
two. Salamat.
Maraming salamat, sir. Thank you so much to our season sisters. Thank you. At saka yung atin po palang location, Park Global City is very accessible sa expressway. No? So huwag kayong mag-alala dahil hindi, siguro matatraffic sa mismong araw na. No? Pag nagpa-park na ho kayo looking for it, there are plenty of hotels in Clark. So no hassle po sa atin na magpupunta doon. Alright, next we have Billionario. Thank you so much for coming very early, ma'am.
Thank you so much po. Hi, I'm Just po from Billionario. Just to clarify, para po doon sa mga gustong mag-enjoy from Manila and kung saan man, is the festival gonna be free? May mga entrance fees ba silang babayaran? And yeah, yung any other activities po na paano po ba siya mag-work? May mga activities din po ba para doon sa mismong mag-enjoy na sila mismo yung mag-cooperate, should I say?
So the festival is a 2-day festival. So it's on January 17 and 18. So it's a ticketed event. As low as 500 pesos, you can enjoy the whole activities that we offer. So as early as 6 a.m. po, mag-start na tayo mag-tender ng mga balloons natin. 20 to 30 hot air balloons will be on display on Hiraya Music Fest. And then at the same time, sunod-sunod na po yung event natin. From after 8 a.m., yung mga paramotors natin until 11 a.m. And then yung mga drifters natin. And also, we do have a car show. So, there are a different, yung mga car show na mga car enthusiasts natin dyan. Yun, makikita nila yung mga different cars, different type of cars na talagang pang show performance level. So, yun, a whole lot of activities, not only for mga adults, pati yung mga kids, pwede doon. Lahat yun, ihinanda namin para sa whole family.
And just one more question po. This might be too early to ask, but do you have any reminders for those people na pupunta po doon, may mga kailangan nilang dalhin, you know?
We do posting naman on our social media, but syempre, once you go there, we highly recommend na yung mga kits nyo, yung mga susutin nyo, talagang for comfortable, para hindi kayo mahirapan dun sa venue natin. But we also put mga tents, mga silungan para sa mga attendees natin. So,
Thank you so much, ma'am. Also, maraming salamat. And just a quick trivia, ang ating mga kasamahan from Paramotor Philippines just recently competed sa SEA Games, correct? Yeah, so grabe, palakpakan po natin sila. And during Hiraya, pwede ho kayong mag-tandem paramotor, so you can actually experience that too. Okay? So next to ask questions would be from DZMM, Arangkada Balita, FMR. Ladies and gentlemen, DJ Jayo.
Hi! Magandang hapon po sa inyo. And first, thank you for inviting us. I'm from DZMM, 92.3 and Arangkada Balita, DJ Jayo po. I remember lang po, I've been hosting mga hot air balloon events and concerts from the past. Like, lagi po siyang tumatapat sa February kasi parang diba yung concept nila is yung laging love is in the air, ganyan. What makes January 17 and 18 po na special na bakit hindi po sa ibang mga dates po, sir?
Yeah, that's a great question. So, bakit January? Actually, January kasi it's the first week of the year. I think ito yung isang malaking pasabog that we can provide after the New Year. So at the same time kasi parang strategically na mas maganda yung, lalo na sa area namin, sa Park Nova City. Yung area niya is open space. So at the same time, kapag yung mga ganitong maganda yung klima. Hindi siya mainit, hindi siya ganun kainit. So, that's why we push on January. But hopefully for this year, the next upcoming lights, sana December. Originally, December talaga. Para kasi what we're planning was, ano ba yung pupunta natin pag December? Yun talaga yung plano natin. So, hopefully by this 2026, we can do it in December.
Question po, lahat po kayo ng mga producers po are all from Pampanga po?
Yes, that's
Opo.
correct.
Tapos marami na po bang, can you brief us po kung ano na po yung, aside from Araya, ano pa po yung mga events, concerts na mga na-mount and na-produce na po ng company po ninyo para lang for the right up?
Actually, this is the first under Hiraya. But we are the same one na nag-handle din ng Bicoloco. Bicoloco, if you're familiar with that. And at the same time kasi, like what you said earlier, we're the one kasi producing the hot air balloons. So the other, kung if may alam ko yung ibang festivals na nagdi-display na hot air,
Sila yun.
sabi ko na yan.
So kaya magkakasama, kaya familiar yung
So yun.
Wow.
Yeah, this is the first Hiraya. Yeah, this is the first Hiraya under Hiraya events.
Yes, sir. Maraming salamat.
Thank you,
And,
DJ.
more events na po
Thank you
sa
po.
inyo.
Thank you, DJ Jaiho, and we hope to see